This is my final PSM project, and the title is RF Wireless Alarm System. This is the dual power supply which I connected to my transceiver and also receiver. This is the model that I built. This is the model house that I built for my transmitter, and the transmitter circuit I put inside. I separate the house into 4 zones. Zone 1 is the front door, Zone B is the back door, Zone C and Zone D is the side wall. And this is the power supply which I connected to. When I turn on the circuit, the current will flow. When one of the zone switches been triggered, the current will flow through the diode and then light up the LED. Then we'll go into this encoder. Encoder will encode the voltage and then send the data through this antenna. This is my receiver circuit. This is the antenna for my receiver. After go through the filter, and this is my amplifier to amplify the data. This is the op-amp. This is after the receiver part, and this is my encoder IC to encode the data to the respective, light up the respective LED, and also the siren will be triggered. When I trigger on the system, let's say Zone 1 been triggered, the LED for my transmitter will turn on. The output for my LED Zone A will turn on, and also the siren will turn on. To reset the system, I need to switch off the power supply and then switch back the switches to the initial post. Now I'm gonna demo for my project. First I want to turn on my power supply. Okay, then now I'm gonna switch on the power Zone 1 LED. The LED for my transmitter already light up. So do the receiver Zone A and also the siren. Now I'm gonna switch off the power supply to reset. I will set to initial. Then I want to turn on the power supply. And now I'm gonna trigger for my Zone B. And then LED, after trigger, the LED, both LED will light up and also the siren will make noise. This is the LED switches. I'm gonna turn on. The LED already light up for my transmitter, and so do the Zone B, receiver and the siren. And now I'm gonna switch off the power supply. I will reset the switches to the initial post. And for Zone C, it's same. After I trigger on, the both LED will light up and also the siren will be turned on. I want to turn on for my system first. Then now I'm gonna trigger the switches. The LED light up and the Zone Z LED light up and also the siren. And now I'm gonna switch off for my system. I will set the switches to the initial post. And for Zone D, it's same. When I turn on, the both LED will light up and also the siren. I will turn on the power supply. And for Zone D, this is the switches. Now I'm gonna turn on. The LED already light up. So do the receiver and siren also turn on. Now I'm gonna switch off. I will set back to the initial post for my Zone D. And that's all for my PSM final project presentations.